Tired of digging through your wallet every time you need to pay? In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly add your Bank of America card to Apple Wallet and unlock the convenience of contactless payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's get started. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone, and it's usually on your home screen, and the icon looks like a white card with colorful rectangles on it. Tap to open it. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus sign, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen, or sometimes in the middle. Tap the plus button to add a new card. You'll now see a screen asking you to choose a card type. You can either select debit or credit card, or if you want to manually enter your card details, you can do that too. For the easiest method, hold your Bank of America card in front of your phone's camera. The app should automatically scan the card details. After the card is scanned, you'll be asked to enter the CVV code, which is the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back of your Bank of America card. Type it in carefully. Next, you'll need to agree to Bank of America's terms and conditions for using your card with Apple Pay. Read through them carefully, then tap Agree at the bottom of the screen. Finally, you'll need to verify your card. Bank of America usually provides options like receiving a text message or email with a verification code. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. And that's it. Your Bank of America card is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You can now use your iPhone or Apple Watch to make secure and convenient contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Enjoy.